Alrighty, hey everyone, it is going to be Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me, let's check out this 2020 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro. It is going to be in the magnetic gray metallic exterior with the black Softex interior. You do see various changes for the 2020 model year. Some notable ones do include the 8-inch Intune head unit that does include CarPlay, Android Auto, Amazon Alexa. TSSP is also now standard, so you do have your dynamic radar cruise, lane departure alert with steer assist, automatic high beams, pedestrian detection, stuff like that. A 4.2-inch LCD in the cluster, and we'll point out some other things along the video. So coming up front, as you can see, your TRD Pro front end, you do have your radar right there for your radar cruise. So if you do see that, that's what that is going to be. Checking out your window sticker, we'll go ahead and look at that. As we said, magnetic gray with the black graphite Softex. Go ahead and pause right here for your Trd Pro Package. That includes all of that. As far as our extra options, though, we do have the step rails, black emblems, the door package, all-weather mats, and phone charger for a total of $52,354. Gas mileage is going to be 16 city, 19 highway, 17 combined. Down here, going to be your 17-inch alloys riding on your Nito tires. There's that catback exhaust as well. The roof basket just makes it so much better. You do have your TRD Pro badging around back, blacked out badges above your license plate. And then you do have smart key access on this vehicle. Hand behind the door handle to unlock. Smart key is now standard on SR5 Premium and above 4Runners, so no more twist key on those models. This one does have 99 miles, foot on the brake, button to start, typical smart key fashion. Starts right up. Let's go ahead and check out underneath the hood. And coming underneath the hood on this one, just gonna have that tried and true 4-liter dual override cam V6, producing 270 horsepower, 278 foot-pounds of torque, going to all four wheels through a four-wheel drive system and a 5-speed automatic. You do have the multi-terrain management system as well, crawl control, all of your four-wheel drive necessities for this one. So let's go ahead and check out that interior. You are going to have that black Softex interior, red accents with your TRD badging in the headrest. Same over here on your door with your padded stitched Softex red stitching as well. You do have the all automatic windows, power locks, power mirrors over here on the dash with your automatic high beams, AC outlet, and your windshield wiper de-icer. Go ahead and use our step rails to get in. Checking out that steering wheel, it is going to be carryover for the 2020 model year. It's going to be 4-spoke leather-wrapped wheel with your audio, Bluetooth, your 4-way D-pad for that 4.2-inch LCD that is going to be new for the 2020 year, as well as your TSSP radar and lane keep. Over on the left, you do have your automatic headlights, as well as your fog lights and your blinkers. Then over on the right, you do have your variable intermittent speed wipers. So this is going to be the highlight of the new additions. This is going to be the new 8-inch head unit. It's just the flickering as a trick of the camera. Going to your main menu, this is going to be where you have your projection for your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Going to your audio, this is going to have your AM, FM, XM, USB, and Bluetooth streaming audio sources. And then going to your map, it is going to have the integrated navigation system with traffic. Below that, dual zone automatic climate control with your driver and front passenger temperatures, fan speed, and zones. USBs, as well as your 12-volt outlet. 5-speed automatic with your sport mode and manual shift. There's going to be that 4-wheel drive controller, cup holders, your heated seats, and your power sliding rear window, as you can see right there in the rear glass. Since this is a smart key model, you can access that via smart key buttons on the hatch. Stitched armrest with a 12-volt down in there. Glove box, nice and damp. Owner's manuals in there. Auto dim mirror. Mirror and vanity lights on your sun visor with a nice little extension as well. Map lights. You do have your garage home link as well as all of your four-wheel drive controls that you can see right there. SOS Safety Connect. Your power sliding sunroof as well. So that about wraps it up for the front seat of the 4Runner. Let's check out the rear. Coming to the second row, there is going to be one notable addition, and we'll point that in a second, but all your door panel materials do follow through with your padded stitched Softex. Power window, you have that same black Softex back here as well. Plenty of room behind my 5'9" frame, super comfortable seats, dual seat mat pockets, as well as rear air vents and your 2 charging USBs. That is going to be the new addition. Big armrest with cup holders, and then plenty of headroom because it does dip back up from the sunroof. View of the dash right there. That head unit does do wonders to make the 4Runner more modern. And then coming around back, trailer hitch down below. There's going to be those directional power window controls. Then opening up your hatch, plenty of room, and you can drop the seats in a 40-20-40 fashion to expand cargo room. 12 volt, as well as your household outlet. Nice all-weather mat right there. Certain 4Runner models do come with a third row. This one in particular doesn't have it. Closing up your hatch, that'll just about wrap it up for the 2020 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro in magnetic gray metallic. If you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to give it a like. Otherwise, look forward to seeing you in my next one. Bye now.